In this video, we'll explore the process of preparing and drying dates. First, we prune the date palms and remove any extra branches, thoroughly cleaning the trees and eliminating excess branches and thorns. In the second stage, we collect the pollination clusters from the male trees, then grind them into a fine powder to prepare them for the pollination process, which is then carried out. In the third stage, once the dates have grown larger and changed color while still unripe, we cover them with bags to protect them from pests. Afterward, the ripened dates are gathered in special baskets and transferred to a facility for sorting, cleaning, and separating the different types of dates. Finally, the dates are packed into special boxes and sent to market. Besides dates, various other products are also made from dates, such as cakes, biscuits, sweets, and more. Thank you for watching this video.